Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a kilt in Discord. Now, a kilt is a experiment feature on Discord, right? It's something that's kind of like a beta, you could say. What it basically means is that it's not available for everyone. And to create a kilt, you actually need to be invited into it, right? And the way you create a kilt and the way that you make it is that first you have to be invited. And if you have to be invited, then you can just make a server and there will be a kilt option. Like from here, you just have to click on add a server. And instead of all of these options here, there is a way to create a kilt. It'll be one of these buttons here, right? But again, you will have to be invited to the program, right? And as far as I know, the Kilt program experiment will be ending soon as well. So the Kilt feature will be cut out of Discord, but I think some of the features will stay either way. Like there are some aspects of Kilt that's gonna be staying, but just the Kilt is not staying. So if you are lucky enough to get into the experiment, you can't apply for this experiment, by the way. It's randomly chosen. So if you don't have it, then I'm afraid that you will not be able to create a guild until you get invited. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.